The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a person who goes by the name of Platinum on social media. You see me? Some persons might also call him Mr. Platinum on social media. You see me? And the person who goes by the name of Platinum had been brought to my attention because of something that happened some time ago, where it is said that he paid a female for somewhat of a service that he did not receive. You see what I'm saying to you? I also saw a video about it on social media and so on. But anyways, this video that I'm about to present to you, this video is going to show the person who goes by the name of Platinum accusing a person of stealing some things from his motor vehicle. You see me? And this video shows the person who goes by the name of Mr. Platinum saying some very harsh languages to a person. And you know, please bear in mind that there might be more information out there about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now, as I am about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh, yeah, look, myself, you know, oh, you mean you look? I said, no, in there. My job, my customer, I said, woman, I left the thing I said, I go come thing them there, man. Get you come and do it like a man, you go pay the cold foot, you know. You me tell us to stop doing what you're doing, my guys. I'm going for the judge and I joke with the guy, and you stop it down clean and that. I'm just care about the girl like him alone, you know, I care about the thing them done. Big man, care about the thing them man. No, man, you mean, I'm just never tell you. What's up then? Mike, when you're both them fighting, you're mad man. You take someone where man think of getting a madman done. Man, you a government like me big, you know. That's what I want to waste, boy.
Police don't look for them,
Hey, how you look for them and you trouble them? This, my man. How you mean you are now? Look at them. Man, you can't look for the thing the way people in Keba. And that's why the police don't look for them. What kind of style in that?
Nah, man, you got off a phone, man.
That's why I can't think them done.
I thought about it.
I do the thing with that one in a gun. I want peace, you know. I want peace in the night, you know. We don't know, you know. I'm not going to live off of me, you know.
I'm fighting. I don't think I own this, but that's what done by a man. I ever seen nothing.
Yeah, don't because I police and I'm a college. I'm not going to back when they take it. But the thing I'm not going to like that. If I give me 20,000 a boy, they eat me and rob me and you know. They give me a play boy, I'm going to rate you. You see me rate you? You suck and suck. I'm going to tell you, loud out and big. When you want to run, but you look pretty car. You look care. And this my woman, this make your brother feel thinking, girl. When my mother say just and that you run down. Me know you suck a car, me bow out. So she want bow you out as my brother. But me don't know you. As woman, you name Francis. No girl no ramp with me.
Alright.
No blood clot girl. For nothing, me no suck the alley button. I mean no boy. Oh, you're drunk, or you? Because him like dog, the boy thief my car. Your girl come up and front of it, your girl take put it up. Jesus. Yeah. Play with your car, nasty boy. Let's come and get me thing them done. Let's come and get me thing them in a dance, I'm going to get sex, you know.
No, you're mad.
I'm saying, give me my thing. Oh, and you think I give me a lick, and me a wire for my thing to get wrong. You give me back up, you peel up every blood clot thing you take. The alternator, the whole like backlight and everything that done. Everything we take out of the car, I just go put them back. And don't make them get them blood clot on contesting and call my value my car and that. Don't make me reach a valuation for my things, you know. Alright, ain't no serious enough. Don't make me reach a value. Wait a go on. Let me never do it, pussy.
Do it.
Oh, you mean if I never do it? Butty boy.
Do it, I don't know.
Alright. Soon come back.
Alright.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, yeah. There you have it, the video that shows a person who goes by the name of Mr. Platinum. You understand? Yeah, this video shows Mr. Platinum accusing a person of stealing some things from his motor vehicle, and you know, I'm not sure if he's saying that the person stole the things from off of his vehicle or out of his vehicle, but I'm just telling you to the best of my knowledge. You see what I say? Yeah. Alright, so let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And you know, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. And this video that I'm going to present to you, you know, this video is going to show a person trying to send some positive words out there to persons to let them know that they should be themselves and, you know, other positive things. You understand me? And you know, some of the things that this person said in this video, really and truly, I respect it. You see what I say? So I'm presenting it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You see what I say? And you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, viewers and subscribers, you know, this video need no warning because this video is a video with some positive words. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yo, I don't have much to say in another video, but one thing I gotta say, never change yourself to please people. Always be yourself, always be the best version of you. Be who you're comfortable with, you see me? And don't run down people, make people go on with them and go, brother. Because some people have to go on with them and go out to your life in order for good people come in, you see me? Because them only go cloak up and stop your thing, you see me? I say. And remember this, it's the people who are there from day one, the people who love and respect you. And them if you always remember love and respect you when you're rich. Because remember, you know, you're rich one day, just keep on tell yourself every day say you're a star. You see me? Don't make nobody discourage you and make you feel less of yourself or feel bad like you're the worst, my friend. People out there, you have people out there literally stay so to make you feel like you're the worst, you see me? And feel like say, oh, you're not nothing or you're not nobody, but make them people go out with them and go, friend. You see, nobody run them down and try to keep and hold on upon them, make them go out with them and go. Some people are good and healthy for your life, you see me? You have to just love yourself, build yourself, motivate yourself. And let me tell you this, never try to please nobody, please your own self, you see me? Be you, and remember, believe in yourself, work on yourself. Because guess what? Nobody don't know you when you're down and you're poor. You see, but you see when you're rich and when you make it in life, everybody that go on like say, yo, them did it from day one and them the real, them never real. Some of them they have business, boy, your brother, them they have no say exist, friend and family, them no care about you see me? Only when you're dead, you see whole heap of people gather and come from out of nowhere, you know where them come from. I say, yo, them a show them last what? When 120 me alive, I never know me, you see it? Never business about me, enough people, them only go on, you saw them deal with them now? A different way them a go on deal with them when you make it in life, you see me, them a go on all nice and run up and run in. Yo, me don't want nobody run in when we make it, brother. If you never had a run in now, when nothing are going, don't run in tomorrow when things are going, you see me? You have to know who real from who not real and hurting, or you have to get trick and feel like say, yo, you have good people and wrong fake people you have running. You understand? You see, just believe in yourself, my friend. You see, and don't try to be perfect. Try to be the best version of you. The you will please your own self, not others, you see me? Yeah, and just remember say, yo, put God in everything you do. That alone me have to say, brother. I feel like if I say this, I'm just say it. I'm not business, brother. I'm just say it.
Positive words. Positive words. Be yourself. See me? Love you. Love you. Love yourself. See me I say? I believe that loving you yourself comes first. You see me? Once you appreciate who you are and appreciate yourself, it's easier to do so for everyone else. You see me I say? You see, sometimes there are persons who kind of get selflessness confused with loving thyself. You see me I say to you? No, there's a little difference. No, there's a difference between the two. You understand? Selflessness is when you can put aside certain things and consider someone's feelings or look out for someone instead of being selfish and say, hey, me nah give him none of this because of my own, and me nah do that because of my own. No, that's different. That's totally different from loving yourself first. You see me I say? Some persons seems to get that confused. That's to my knowledge, you know. I'm just telling you what I think about these two things where you call them selflessness and loving yourself. You understand? Yeah, I think some persons might get those two things confused sometimes. But the thing is, though, viewers and subscribers, I appreciate some of the things that this person had said. I really and truly respect some of the things that this person had said. And, you know, you can really and truly hear the vibes in this person's voice when he's trying to put that message out there. You see what I say? Big up and respect, yeah. Trust me, I mean, you said it. This person said it, alright? So big him up anywhere in the end of the world, alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. Yes, what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Hey, I'm Minium Dancehall Skilla, you know. I'm gonna big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.